tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Canon Megatank G3290 all-in-one wireless super tank printer. This powerhouse of a printer promises to revolutionize the way you print, copy, and scan, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on whether it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the wireless printing capabilities of the Canon Megatank G3290. This feature is a total game changer for anyone who's tired of being tethered to their printer. With the ability to print, copy, and scan wirelessly, you can effortlessly send documents and photos from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the printer and have them printed out in no time. This is especially handy for students, freelancers, and remote workers who need to print out documents on the go. Plus, with the Canon Print app, you can print from anywhere in the house, or even when you're not at home, as long as you have an internet connection. Another feature that really caught my attention is the incredible value you get with the included ink. The Canon Megatank G3290 comes with up to 2 years of ink included, which is estimated to be enough to print up to 6,000 black and white pages and 7,700 color pages. That's a staggering amount of printing, and it's estimated that you can save up to $1,000 on ink costs over the life of the printer. This is a huge cost savings for anyone who prints regularly, and it's a major selling point for this printer. Imagine being able to print out all your documents, photos, and projects without worrying about the cost of ink holding you back. Now, let's talk about the user interface of the Canon Megatank G3290. The 2.7-inch LCD color touchscreen is sleek, intuitive, and easy to use, making it a breeze to navigate through the various printing options and settings. You can easily select the type of print job you want to do, choose the paper size and type, and even preview your documents before printing. The touchscreen is also very responsive, so you can quickly and easily make any necessary adjustments to get the perfect print. In addition to these features, the Canon Megatank G3290 also has auto duplex printing, which allows you to print on both sides of the paper with ease. This is a great feature for anyone who wants to reduce their paper usage and create more professional-looking documents. And with the ability to copy and scan documents wirelessly, you can easily digitize your paperwork and store it in the cloud or on your computer. In conclusion, the Canon Megatank G3290 all-in-one wireless super tank printer is an absolute beast of a printer that checks all the right boxes. With its wireless printing capabilities, incredible value on ink, and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect solution for anyone who needs to print, copy, and scan regularly. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just someone who loves to print out photos and documents, this printer is sure to impress. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon Megatank G3290. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power and convenience of wireless printing for yourself. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Get ready to print, copy, and scan like a pro with the Canon Megatank G3290.